It has arrived, the A100 from HTVRONT, the brand new automatic multi-heat press. 3 in 1. You heard that right. 3 attachments in one machine. Can't wait to unbox it, see what's inside, and show you exactly what it does. Hi, I'm Angela from Creative Minds. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to walk you through everything that comes inside the box with the A100. I'm also going to show you all the attachments that it comes with and talk a little bit about each. At the end of this video, you will find my honest review about the machine and each of the attachments. Today, I will not be pressing anything yet. For that, I will do more videos for each individual of them, so make sure you subscribe and like this video if you want to see more content about the A100 multi-press machine from HTVRONT. So here we are opening the box. Let's see what comes inside. First, the manual. And here I see some heat gloves, very important. The pressing pillow. This is the head attachment, the hat attachment. And this is the top part of the hat attachment. Let's pull this out. Ooh. Oh wow, this looks very nice. What do we have here? It's a little stuck. Oh, this is the mug press. Nice. And this is the flat plate. Let's take this base out. So it's kind of heavy, but it's got sturdiness to it. It's not too heavy. It's small in size, but it's nice. Flat plate. And here I have everything together. So we have a mug press, a hat press, a flat press with the base to interchange all the attachments. Nice digital screen, button control. This looks really, really nice. The top part of the hat is what conducts the heat. This looks very, very good quality. And this is the bottom part where you would attach the hat. So let's call it the pillow pressing for the hat. Nice. Let me move it so I can show you the tumbler mug press. The flat press looks very sturdy, clean. It's got a good weight to it. So it has a digital button control screen. You just press some buttons here. This is the temperature. You can adjust the temperature. The pull-out drawer. It feels smooth and sturdy. It's so pretty. Let me measure this and see what's the size. So it is 12 inches wide by 10 inches long. So it's a little smaller than the usual 15 by 15, but still pretty. Just gonna press here just to see how it automatically opens and closes for you once you press the start button. Right now it's not that hot, obviously, because I didn't heat it up to full temperature. But always be careful. Make sure you wear your gloves when you're changing the plates or when you're using your heat press at any time. So right now I'm going to remove the pressing pillow, and I press the orange button to release the plate. Make sure you hold it with 2 hands. Wow, that was so easy. I love it. This button is your release button. Let's attach the hat. See how this goes. Just bring it down and pull up. Wow, that was easy. I like it. Now let's attach the bottom part. You gotta follow the little hole in the bed. There. I think I got it. Okay. Now we have to plug it. Okay, so now we have to press the mode button. Once you press it once, you press it again and select the mode for the hat. Press the start button and it automatically will adjust the height of the base so that you can slide in your hat attachment. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's pretend we're going to do a hat right now, just so you can have an idea on how to use this hat attachment. You slide it in, and then you press the start button, and it automatically closes and presses the design on the hat for you. Wow, I can't wait to try this one. Look at that, it finished and automatically lifted. This is going to be so good, so good. Okay, so to remove it, you twist it and pull out. Again, remember your orange button is your release button. Always wear your gloves because it's going to be hot. Very, very important. Here I'm putting my gloves on. So let's go ahead and press that orange button to release. But first, please unplug your attachments and always turn off your heat press before unplugging. Now, orange button, release button, hold with 2 hands, press, and that's it. Voila, that was so easy. Mode button again, it's on the hat. I'm going to press it again and switch it to the tumbler. Press the play button and it would automatically adjust again for the mug press. This is your mug press. It's nice and heavy and sturdy. You press down the 2 black flaps and then you drive it under to the attachment and lift it up, and that's it. Plug it in and you have a mug press ready to press tumblers and mugs. Adjust your temperature, adjust your time. The only thing that you cannot adjust for the mug attachment is the pressure. They have it set automatically so that you always get good results with every press. So that's the only thing, and I think it's amazing that they already have it set up like that and you don't have to worry about adjusting the temperature. All right, so it's review time. And what do I give HTVRONT A100? A 10 out of 10. Why? Because it's easy to use. The versatility of having the 3-in-1 functionality with just one base is amazing, and it's the perfect addition to any craft room. The only downside I think people might have is the size of the plate. If you're used to having or using a 15 by 15, this one's a little bit smaller. This one's a 12 inches wide by 10 inches long. Do I really think it's a deal breaker? Not at all. Why? Because it's a swappable attachment. What does that mean? It means that you can use the flat plate as an actual pressing manual plate. So, is it a deal breaker? No. I definitely think that this machine is worth trying. It is perfect as a beginner-friendly multi-press machine. So if you're looking for something to start with, something that has 3 machines in one, so you don't have to have all different machines, I definitely recommend trying the HTVRONT A100. Before I leave, I would like to thank HTVRONT for sending me their heat press to review. I've had a lot of fun unboxing and reviewing. To you, I would like to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and follow, because I'll be doing more videos with the HTVRONT A100 multi-function automatic heat press. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.